The character survey on the 8 essential traits for leadership. The survey will help you see your strengths and your weaknesses as a leader. Grab a piece of scratch paper because you're going to need it. There is one section for each of the 8 essential traits. Here are the directions. For each statement, you're going to rate yourself on a scale from 0 to 5. 0 is that you never do it. 1 is seldom. 2, sometimes. 3, usually. 4, mostly. And 5, always. Answer these truthfully. In each section, you'll answer 10 questions, and then you'll add up the total of points for that section. So 10 questions at 5 points each is a total of 50 points per section. So you'll mark how many points you got in a section. Maybe it's 45 points. I would write on my scratch paper, patience, 45, so you remember how many points you got in that section. Then you go on to the next section, section 2, kindness. Add up your points and record the total at the end of that section. Then you'll move on to the honesty section. A couple of these questions are a little tricky, so make sure you read carefully. The first question says, I don't lie. So if that is always true, you don't tell lies, you're going to click 5. If that's not true and you tell a lot of lies, then you're going to click 0. So make sure on the questions that say don't, you're saying that statement is always true or that statement is never true. So you'll add up your points and add it to the bottom of each section. You'll continue that for all 8 sections. At the end of the survey, it asks you to put a check mark to the closest points that you got each section. So if I got 45 points on the patient section, I click the 45 box. If I got 28 points in the forgiveness section, I would click either the 25 or the 30, whichever it's closest to. So it would be 30, the 30 box. Then by looking at this box, you're going to be able to see the ones that you got the most points in. That will tell you your strengths as a leader. So click the 3 that you scored the highest in. Then also you're going to be able to notice the areas that you got the lowest points. And you're going to click those 2 areas as well, and then you will submit your form. Then this will help us identify your strengths and weaknesses as a leader.